We've all been there. You're exhausted, but your brain refuses to shut off. You stare at the clock, calculating how many hours of sleep you can get if you fall asleep right now. We are told to put away our phones and avoid blue light. And while that helps, we often ignore the biggest signal we send our bodies: food. What you eat for dinner doesn't just sit in your stomach. It provides the chemical building blocks for your brain to build sleep. Today on Wonders of Life, we are constructing the perfect sleep meal. We're exploring the biology of the Comedown and how to use ingredients like magnesium and tryptophan to switch your brain from alert to recovery. To understand sleep, we have to look at the assembly line of neurotransmitters. It starts with an amino acid called tryptophan. You find this in turkey, tofu, and seeds. When you eat tryptophan, your body converts it into serotonin, the feel-good hormone. But the process doesn't stop there. When it gets dark, that serotonin is converted one last time into melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone that signals to your body that it's time to sleep. But here is the catch. Tryptophan is a clumsy traveler. It struggles to cross the blood-brain barrier. It fights with other amino acids for entry. If you eat a steak dinner, which is pure protein, the tryptophan gets crowded out. It never reaches the brain. To get it across, you need a secret weapon: carbohydrates. Carbs trigger insulin, which clears the other amino acids out of your bloodstream, leaving a clear path for tryptophan to enter your brain and start the sleep cycle. This is why comfort food makes us sleepy. So, we need tryptophan and a complex carb. But there is one more piece of the puzzle: the relaxation mineral, magnesium. Magnesium is crucial for sleep because it regulates your nervous system. It binds to GABA receptors, the same receptors that sleep medications target to quiet down nerve activity. If your mind is racing and you feel wired, you might not be awake. You might just be magnesium deficient. So, what does the science look like on a plate? It looks like this: the Serotonin Bowl, the base, brown rice or sweet potato. This is the complex carb to help transport the chemicals. The protein, grilled salmon or tofu, both rich in tryptophan. The magnesium, side of wilted spinach, and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds. We are combining a high tryptophan protein with a complex carbohydrate to shuttle it to the brain, and loading it with magnesium-rich greens and seeds to lower cortisol. Crucially, this meal isn't too heavy. A massive, fatty meal raises your body temperature while you digest it. To sleep deep, your core body temperature actually needs to drop. So keep dinner light and eat it about 3 hours before bed. Sleep isn't just the absence of being awake. It is an active biological process where your body repairs itself. You can't force your brain to sleep, but you can give it the raw materials it needs to build that sleep for you. Tonight, try prioritizing your magnesium and your timing. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next one.